What's protecting the tools, equipment and valuables in your shed? Introducing PSA SHEDsafe, a smart security solution designed to help protect your shed, workshop or storage space. With Wi-Fi connected cameras and motion alerts, you can monitor your shed anytime, from anywhere. For added protection, SHEDsafe includes a heat alarm to detect rising temperatures that may signal fire risks in dusty or enclosed spaces, plus a smoke alarm for early warning of smoke and potential fire hazards. Easy to install, reliable and built for everyday protection. PSA SHEDsafe helps secure what matters most.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.